Hello and welcome back, guys. Today in this video we are going to learn about pandas data frame, and from this data frame how we can remove exactly identical duplicate rows. And after removing all those duplicate rows, the data frame will contain only consolidated unique rows. So let me first show the dataset what we have. That is a product, quantity ordered, and price each. And as you can see that there are some identical rows are present. So let me import this dataset into our Jupyter Notebook. To do that, I'm going to write it as import pandas as pd, and we are going to create a data frame, that is pd.read excel, and let me copy our dataset as copy path and going to paste it over here. Enter or hit shift enter key, and let me see how it looks like. This is our dataset, and right now I'm going to write it as df_1 to create or see how it is giving us true false and how it is going to distinguish using duplicates or duplicated. So I'm going to write it as df.duplicated and hit enter, shift enter. Right now let me check this how it is returning as boolean value as true false. As you can see that fourth index, which is over here, it has same identical rows with the first one. That's the reason it has given us true. We can change this order as well, like we can write it as keep equals last, because by default it is keeping as first, so I'll write it as last, hit enter, and if we check right now, this is going to change. See, as you can see, it has changed. Right now we are going to remove these duplicates, and we are going to write the code such a way so it will give us before duplicate and after duplicate. So let me write it as print. So I'm going to give some dashes over here to make it as separator, and in the second line I'm going to write it as before removing the duplicate rows, and another line to give as line break, and here I'm going to write it as our data frame. So let me see how it looks like. Okay, so this is our data frame. Right now I'm going to run this cell. Okay, so here it is printing correctly and it's overwriting our df. Let me comment out. Yeah, as we can see, our data frame is present over here. So let me remove that hash value or hashtag, remove the commenting, and I'm going to copy the same thing over down. It will be after removing the duplicate rows, and I'm going to do that remove duplication. So in order to do that, I'm going to write it as df.drop duplicates, and I'm going to write it as, I'm going to hit shift and enter key. So right now it is not showing the before removing the duplicate rows. In order to show that one, but as you can see that the exactly identical or duplicate rows that has been removed from our data frame. So I want to perform both stack one by one. So it should be before duplicate rows and one should be after duplicate rows. So I want to wrap it up this one with display function, display, and I'm closing this opening and closing bracket. So similarly I'm going to write it as display and I'm going to wrap it inside the braces, and shift enter key I need to hit from the keyboard. And if I come down, as you can see that our both table, that is before removing the duplicate we have, and after removing the duplicates the data frame we have. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you so much.